Okay, 3, 2, 1, let's jam.
My wife requested that I find her a car phone holder so she could watch movies on it when she was waiting to pick up kids from school. After looking through the typical universal suction cup and vent mount types, it occurred to me that there might be something made specific for the Bronco. But I didn't want to go to the extreme of getting an accessories rail just for a phone mount. And then I found this little guy, which was exactly what I was looking for. It came packaged really nicely, as you can see. It's made mostly from metal, and the moving parts have some solid looking rubber O-rings on them. It comes with an Allen wrench for that one screw that will mount into that accessory-ready threaded hole in the center of the dashboard. You can see that it came with instructions that pretty much aren't needed. Of course, it looked like I needed them, the way I was struggling to get the main assembly open. However, I persevered and I finally got it assembled. Installation is really easy once you get the screw started. Of course, I made that look hard. Something to note here though. There are two protrusions on the base of this thing that will keep it from spinning when it's tightened down, which is a really nice feature. I think it definitely looks and feels like a better quality phone holder than all the other plastic ones we've had over the years. You can easily move it every which way for any viewing angle, and unlike the plastic versions out there, I'm able to really crank down on the thumb screws without fear of breaking it. Oh, and if anyone's interested in getting this specific model, I'll include a link in the description below. Something I should have done before installing it was to make sure my wife's large Galaxy Note phone would fit in it. As you can see here, luckily it does, even with a really chunky case on it. The phone clamp is a little tricky to get on her phone though, but doable. My phone is a lot smaller and was pretty easy to get in there. One thing I wish is that the arm could have been just a little bit longer so the phone would clear the dashboard when it's fully lowered, but that's probably just nitpicking. Even with the large phone sticking all the way out like this, the mount feels really sturdy. If you needed to use your phone for some reason while driving, I think this would keep the phone pretty steady. But I'm not the one using it. My wife's initial reaction was positive, but I waited a few days after she actually got to use it to get her final verdict, which was... Well, that's it. See you later.